Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Beth. Beth, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a Miss Maker themed spread, so I'm going to use one of the new Miss Maker sticker books that's currently available on the Happy Planners website. I believe it's coming in store. I think maybe Joanne. I didn't check, but I feel like Joanne probably snagged this one up because this one's very crafty and they like the crafty stuff. So definitely check your stores or the website, Happy Planner website, if you're interested in purchasing this. I'm going to use the big, since this is a big monthly, perfect for this. I already started pulling some boxes. I have a whole wax paper filled with boxes because she has specific days that she requested boxes on, which I'm going to focus on that first, and then I can get to decorating with all the cute crafty stuff in here. I'm going to try to only use this book. We'll see how that works. But I have some boxes like I mentioned before. I'm just going to scatter these around. No rhyme or reason, just putting boxes around. I think she only needs one box on each of the days. Sometimes she needs two, but I believe it's only one for this month on each of these days. So yeah, let me just get started on this. These are for the monthly, so these will fit perfectly in here. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to scatter these around the spread. I need one on the second. So if you hear lots of like background noise, you know, everybody's at the pool. It's, you know, a pool kind of day. All right, so I'm going to, okay, these don't fit as perfectly, but we're going to make it work. So I got it here. The third needs a box too. So let me put, the third and then the seventh. Oh, you know what I'll do? I also pulled these because I didn't have enough boxes from this book. I'm trying to only pull from the book. So maybe I'll do one of these here just to change it up. She liked the varied like sizes around her last spread, so we're just gonna do that for this one. So seventh needs a box as well. So let's go with this pink box here. Eighth needs a box. Let's do this one here. Ninth. Oh wait, not that color. Let's do green. I try to scatter the colors around too. Okay. 11th. This one. 15th. 16th. Sorry, I know this part is very, very entertaining. 17th as well. So let's do yeah, it's fine. Just telling myself it's fine. It's okay to do that. All right, 19th, we'll do this pink one over here. 22. 23. Oops, that's super crooked. Okay. Okay, 25 and 28. Okay, kind of works out. 25 and 28. Okay, so lots of different boxes scattered around. Looks good. Now I'm going to cover up this cute little puppy because we don't need him on the spread. Just using my Tombow, but doing a terrible job at it per usual. Why is this not? Oh, because I ran out. Okay, so that one's done. Let me grab another one. Okay, hopefully this will work better. I just cannot do this. It's gonna be covered up with something else, so it's fine. All right, so now I can go into the book. Oh, let me cover this up too, because I'll probably cover it up with something. All right, now I'm gonna go into the book. There's a page. There's a few pages, but there's one particular page I wanted to focus on that has some decorative stickers in it, or on it. Here, this one, because I love like the little shelves and stuff. Oh, like that little sign's cute. All right, so let's figure out where these are gonna go. Definitely want a shelf. I'm gonna put this here so I have open space to work with. Okay, and then I got another. I have a few other little shelves. Okay, so I got this one. I'm just gonna stick here. Perfect. Got this one that has some spools of thread. Cute, cute. Love this Maker's Gonna Make. Get that off the page. Just gonna plop that right in the middle, right here. I love these little like banners with the Happy Planner discs. Like, how cute is that? It's super cute, in my opinion. Okay, so this is gonna go here. Just a little strand of them going across. I have another little strand that I can put going across. Let's do it this way. Okay. I'm gonna come back. I might grab these other things, but I want to see, ooh, I like these. Like this one says Craft a Happy Life. Let's see, where do I want to put this though? Just gonna stick it there. Okay, and then let's see what else I have. I know there's quotes in here too. Yeah. Ooh, I like these. The little like needles. Why am I drawing a blank? Oh my gosh. My family used to own a bridal store, and they made like custom dresses and stuff, so I was around like anything like sewing related. My mom could make like a custom wedding dress. That's what they would do, and sometimes I would help with like the beading on the, like whenever they had beading sequins and all that kind of stuff. But I'm glad that they no longer have that place. Doesn't seem like it was a fun business. So yeah. All right, so let's see what else I got in here. Oh, I need to do a sidebar thing. Oh, I got these. These are cute too. Okay, actually, I kind of want to focus on the sidebar. Let's see what sidebar stickers I have. Okay, so I have this as an option. That's cute because I like the little color blocking for list. It's a good list maker kind of thing. Yes, I have this sheet. Hold on. Let me mark my page. Okay, so I don't lose it. Let's see what else I got. These are cute too. Ooh, these are cute. I have this. I think I like the color block. Oh, I have more of these too. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go with the color block one. And I think I wanna go with the blue one. So I'm just gonna stick it here. It's very nicely, sorry, out of like frame. And I'm gonna cover this up with a box. Let's see which one will be good. That one's cute. Make the things that make you smile. Should I do pink? I like the contrast of the pink. Okay, I'm just gonna cover this up though, because I don't want to see it through the sticker. Nice. Okay. Cool. All right. Back to more of the decorative stickers, because those are the best stickers. All right. So I got a dream. Dream, make, create, inspire. Geez. So let's do that over here. It's subtle, but it's there. Let's do this ball of yarn. There. Paintbrushes. Just want to stick crafty things all over the place if I can. We'll stick them here. Paintbrushes, cute. I'm not sure if I want to use those or these. I wonder if I have a better washi that I can use. Oh, I got these. It's the same. Oh no, I don't have that quote. I thought I had that quote already. I was gonna put this quote, but then I didn't. Okay, so this one says, make things that make you smile. This one says, living the craft life. Although I feel like I already got a lot there. So let's do something different. These are cute. They say crafty plans. Okay, let me look at my washi. I have a blue washi, I think might work. This like heart one. I don't even know like what it's from, but the blue kind of goes, so I'm gonna go with it. I feel like I need washi, so. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go top and bottom per usual. I always feel like it helps to like finish off a spread, like kind of clean up the edges a little bit in a way. I don't know. That's just how I feel about it. And I go through phases of how I like to use my washi. Before it used to be like in little strips on corners of the spread, or like boxes, and now I'm like back to like the top and bottom, like all the way across. Some people used to get really upset at how I use washi, which was very bizarre, but you know, it is what it is. So hopefully they're not getting upset at how I use washi now. Well, even if they did, I don't listen to them, so it's all good. But let's see what else I want to add in here. I like these. I was gonna stick them on these small boxes, but I don't know what these boxes mean for Beth, so I don't want to use, like, I was gonna do a blue one, but this one is either need to buy or craft time, so I don't want to stick that there. I like to do next, or the plan would have worked, but okay, forget that. On to the next idea. Oh, these little planners. Cute. Alrighty. You know, I really like this spool of thread that's like, how can I add this? I think it's fun. I'm gonna try to figure a way to put this on a spread. Okay, I think I figured it out. That works. Yeah, I like that. Super duper cute. Although I kind of want to move this now. Let's try to move this. Okay. That's better. That works. That works for me. Cool. I'm gonna do this one. Says the craft room is calling. Love it. I think I might do one more of these little happy planner banner things. Oops. Perfect. Okay, that's gonna be it. How fun is that? It's a very crafty monthly spread for sure. So Beth, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.